In the previous video, we discussed division. This video is going to cover multiplication. Here are some of the vocabulary words that you may hear in the video. Please pause it so that you can familiarize yourself with them. Here's our problem. Miss Bell has 9 packages of markers. Each package contains 8 markers. Write an equation to find t, the total number of markers Miss Bell has. So they want us to write an equation to find t, the total number of markers. Alright, so let's reread our problem so that we can fill in our details. We know that there are 9 packages. Okay, oops, let's jump the gun there a little bit. Let's put a 1. We know there's 9 packages, and each of them has 8 markers in there. So it's the same thing over and over and over again. 9 packages, 8 markers in each. And I want to know the total up there at the top. How many markers does she have? Well, if you remember from my other videos, I have this. I know my G, I know my E, I'm looking for my T, I know my groups, I know my each, I'm looking for my total. And groups times each equals total. Total divided by groups equals each. Total divided by each equals groups. So which one of these are we going to do? Well, this is multiplication. No secret there. We're looking for the total, so we're going to put a bracket with all 9 packages and put a question mark. Because we're putting together equal sets, this is multiplication. Notice that it's the same number that we're putting together over and over again. Also, because we are looking for the total, this is most definitely going to be either addition or multiplication. Because it's the same number over and over again, it's multiplication. So we can set up our equation like this, or like this. I want to write it both ways just in case it's written in the way that you didn't write it the first time. You know, those tricky test makers, they may write it a different way. So to solve this problem, I found the product of 9 and 8. And so that's what we put there. If you have any questions, please write it down on your whisk and bring it to me.